What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into the channel. Today I got the first video going out today. Oh my god, I pray it's the first video I got going out today. I've tried so many times to shoot a video for you guys, you don't even know, but I'm here today. I'm gonna make it happen. I promise you. Fast forecast said it would be a good day today. Got I think it's like a 9 something rating or something like that today. So hopefully we have ourselves a good day today. Here at the Salt River. For those of you guys who aren't in Arizona, the Salt River is a very long stretch of river. I'll put a view up on the screen here for you, the Salt River. It's a very long river out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Probably not in Phoenix, but anyways, it's a river out here in Arizona that holds plenty of fish. I mean, you come out here and very well have yourself a 20 to 30 fish day if you can find out where they're at. But I mean, doesn't exactly hold monster fish. There's some big ones in here. I'm sure there's some big ones in here, so but we're gonna find them. So I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna put a crack on them and see what we can do. We've got a few lures tied on. All this stuff's down there at the bank right now waiting for us, so I'm just gonna grab the GoPro, grab some few other things. We're gonna go hit the water, hopefully have ourselves a good day. Thank you guys for tuning into the first video. Like I said, I pray this is the first video. If you like the content, like, subscribe, comment, all the YouTube things, and we'll see you guys on the water. Hopefully not a bush. Perfect. Please keep tension on this fish. I don't care how big or small this fish is, I just want to catch a fish. Yay! First fish of the day. Skunk is out of the Salt River on the old dropper. Little guy, probably not even 14 inches long, a good 6-7 inches, but you know, he's a fish. Thank you, sir. Please return to your home. Please tell your friends. All right. First one on the board, hell yes, off this little island. See if we can't get a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. See how many of these little guys live in this little spot right here. Straight in the tree. I don't feel like tearing apart a whole drop shot setup and having to retie some. And try and dig this out of this tree over here. Great. I can't see with these sunglasses on where this lure is going, so I'm just kind of blindly casting in. Hope I give it enough oomph to get in the spot, or just enough oomph. Guess I don't know my own strength. Alright, let's go. It's okay, I kind of want to know the spots anyways. Definitely gonna have to retire after this. I knew there would be a fish in this little pocket right here. Decent sized guy too. Just keep pressure on him. Don't let him do anything too crazy. Ooh, you almost got stuck on something. Come here. Come here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That comes right out. A little bit better guy. Didn't even get a chance to properly engage my reel and stuff, and this guy had already picked it up. Maybe he's got some friends down there with him. I knew there'd be some more fish in this little deeper pool. I just had to hit it from a different angle. They weren't wanting it when I was dragging it straight through the middle, but if I drag it across the bank, they eat it up. It's weird. Well guys, the GoPro was off, but we got another one. Got one on the Chatterbait. It's a nice little guy, probably the biggest one of the day for sure. Gonna let this guy go. Essentially just drifting down this little pocket. There's that little stump over there. He seems to be packed up on this little stump. I might anchor up over here and see if I can't catch me a few more off this little stump. We're almost there guys. I don't know if you can see that dirt part over there. That's what we're trying to make it to. There's actually some wild horses over there crossing right now. I'm trying to make it over there. I'm actually floating backwards, so I'm gonna put the camera down and get to paddling, but I just wanted to show you guys that because I don't know if I'm gonna make it over there before they cross the river. Alright y'all, midday update. We made it to the spot. You can see, we're here. Took a vibe with some horses. They just ran away not too long ago. We got 3 fish in the boat, 2 on the 2 on the drop shot. No, yeah, 2 on the drop shot, 1 on the chatterbait. Missed 2 on the chatterbait earlier too as well. We're gonna float back down the river now and hopefully see what we catch. I'm gonna start off with the chatterbait. Hopefully I get a couple bites on the chatterbait. If that bite has died, which I'm kind of guessing it has, it's probably a little after 3 o'clock by now, but if that bite has died, then we'll probably switch it up to dragging a Texas rig or throwing a jig, something of that nature. We'll figure something out, but hopefully I can get on a couple more fish before the day's over and before I run out of space on this SD card, and see what we can make happen. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys on the water. Alright, and we're back on the water, cruising down the bank line. Hopefully we get a nice couple bites on this good little float, because this certainly was a float over here. Let me tell you, I am absolutely exhausted after that paddle up here. Jeez Louise, I had to take a good little break over there on the bank before I kept fishing, because I even had to touch my paddle on the way back. I'm gonna be pissed. But I know I'm gonna have to, because that grass, or is that fish? That's grass. I know I'm gonna have to, because this current isn't going to drag me completely back to my car, unfortunately. I wish it was that easy, but it's not. But I'll get as far as I can, straight as I can, just as little as possible, as I just float down the river. Gotta love the grass on the Salt River. That's what makes it such a good fishery. It certainly is annoying. Alright guys, well we're hooked up again. Got one more on the old T-rig. Nice boat flip in here. Nice little cracking crawfish. Just dragging it across the bottom. And this little guy came, picked it up. A happy little fish. Nice little 12-incher, 6-incher. But, you know, he's my fish, and I'll love him to death. No, I almost lost him. I'll tell you one thing. The chatterbait might not catch a ton of fish at the Salt River, but it certainly does catch the quality ones. I mean, this guy's not a huge fish, but for the Salt River, it's a decent size. Probably a good 16 inches. Let's see, let's measure him. I got a little tape measure here on my thing. He's probably like 10, 12. But he's probably like a good pounder. Let's see. This guy is 13 inches. 13 inches. Not bad. Not bad at all. Bye, sir. You give me a little dance? Nope. Alright. Hit it right at the boat, too. One of these days, I'm gonna get a fish on camera for you guys from freaking start to finish. I swear. Set the hook and everything. Oh, there's one. a good one too. Oh my goodness, good one. Good one for the Salt River. Ah, get off the GoPro cable. Get off the GoPro cable and get in the boat. Hell yes. Oh no, we're headed into the bank. I can't get the hook out. Oh no. Ow, hooked myself. Don't flop, sir. Don't flop. Don't flop. Don't flop. Yeah. Yeah. Start to finish, baby. Got that one. This is a nice one too. Probably like a solid pound, maybe. Another little 13-inch bad boy. Little 13-inch bad boy. Oh, I'll see you later, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, smack-a-dab-a-doo on the chatterbait. Alright, see, I told you I'd get one for you guys before the day's over. I'm not sure how many that is. I think 5 caught. Oh, there's another one. Found the money zone. We're headed to the bank again. Oh, stay right there, boy. Stay right there, boy. Hey, Sir Bass. Hey, I just want to hold you. I just want to hold you and show you off to the people. Number 6, I think. Thank you for eating the chatterbait, sir. I'll let you go nice and easy. Have a good day. Tell your friends. You know, when I came out here this morning throwing this, well, technically I was throwing a chartreuse one when I got here this morning. And that proceeded to go into the water. So I was throwing a white one, and then that proceeded to go into the water. And this was the only one I had left. And I didn't think the fish would even be able to see this color that great in this really dingy water. Granted, I know it's a dark color, you're supposed to throw dark colors in the dingy water, whatever. I was thinking that maybe something along the lines of like the bright, chartreuse white, something like that. Probably help get a little bit better bite. But I can tell you, they're smacking. They're smacking the chatterbait. I'm not even anchored down. I was just rolling through town and ended up in the nursery. It wasn't exactly the nursery. It was more like, you know, middle school. I wouldn't even say that. It was like elementary. Yeah, I found that elementary school. I don't think I'll ended up in the middle school or high school today, but certainly not from the lack of trying. All right. Woo! What a long day at the Salt River. Finally back home and recuperated after all that paddling. Jeez Louise, I was exhausted. I want to thank you guys for watching the entire video. If you made it all the way to the end, if you like the content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all the YouTube things. If you want to see more content from me, be sure to hit that bell notification so you can see the next time that I upload, and I will be at you guys when I hit the water for the next time, hopefully sometime soon. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing, but I know it'll be fun, and I know I'm bringing you guys with me. So if you're on board for the journey and want to see the next time I go fishing, like I said, do all the YouTube things, and see you guys later. Peace.